So we would like to tell about the trophies. So first we'll start with the winners trophy, and we have a runners trophy, and each player will get an individual trophy for winners and for the runners. And then we have the special awards. We have best fielder award, best batter award, and then we have MVP for the tournament, and we have best bowler award, and we have a surprise. We have 4 different awards to be given to the players. So we excited, we are waiting, and each match we will get a man of the match trophies to the players. And all the best teams. Wasim, come on, we'll rock this show.